How to repost full long reel on Instagram story in just one simple step. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will guide you through on how we can repost story in just one step. So let's go ahead and look out for how we can do it. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon and also turn on the notification bell to get updated about our latest videos. So in order to do that, just go ahead and locate the reel that you want to post on Instagram story full. So head over to the reel section and locate it. For example, this is the reel that I want to post full on my story. So what I'm going to do is full screen on my story, or this one right here. So what I'm going to do is simply click on this aeroplane icon below the comment section here. Just go ahead and tap on it and you're going to copy the link of this particular video. After that is done, you're just going to go ahead and close your Instagram app and go ahead and open up your Play Store. And after that is done, you're going to look up for the option called Repost for IG, Post and Story, this application right here. Just hit install and download it. After the download is complete, just open and set up your app. So you may just directly go on this aeroplane icon. And you need to log in your Instagram account here in order to continue with the further process. After that is done, you will be directed towards your Instagram, and here you will be able to find that video on your story directly. Just go ahead and post it and that should do it. So that's how you basically post a full Instagram story by following those method. So follow the step in order to repost it. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.